how to get Dramabox gift codes. Now, there is no instant or there is actually no specific um, third-party websites that you can go ahead and research. The only way for you to be able to obtain any specific gift codes using Dramabox is to follow the official Dramabox social media pages like maybe Facebook, Instagram, and then app's website to find announcements for promotions and events. So all you have to do is just to keep notified on their um, posts or any updates directly from Dramabox, because sometimes they provide a specific or a unique code that will be posted on that specific post description. Simply copy it, log in into your Dramabox account, and go into your profile to redeem the code. So that's the only way for you to be able to get Dramabox gift codes.